So welcome to the project demonstration of earth techniques using line fault detection. So here we are going to identify the faults, like whenever the earth fault or else phase fault, so then that will be identified by the microcontroller, and we'll get the audible buzzer alerts when the fault was detected. And also we are going to show the which kind of fault was detected and a visual alert purpose, LEDs, and on LCD display also we are going to displaying that continuously. So here for making the faults, we are making use of two switches to isolate the earth connection and phase connection to the microcontroller. So this will be continuously monitored by our microcontroller PIC16F72 microcontroller. So we have interfaced the earth connection and phase connection to the A0, A1 pins of our microcontroller. Based on that fault, we are going to send the message to the LCD, which was interfaced at pin number B2 to B7 and C4 connected to the buzzer for the audible alerts, and these two LEDs interface at the C2 and C3 pins of our microcontroller. So here this circuit will act as a current sensing circuit as well as the regulated power supply. So our microcontroller operating voltage is 5 volts. So we are providing 230 volts AC input. So in order to make it as 5 volts, we need to use the 4 stages. One is a transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, rectifier to convert the 12 volts AC to pulsating DC, and filters, so which will remove the pulses and we'll get the 12 volts constant DC. And but our operating voltage is 5 volts. So then we'll making use of 7805 regulator. After that we'll get the constant 5 volts DC. So we are providing that DC input to the microcontrollers as operating voltage, and this phase and earth signal is directly given as input to the switches. So we make the DC power supply here only, but earth and phase. So whenever we are isolating that, we are connecting the so-called earth or phase to the microcontroller. So the controller will identify that and display the message on the LCD. Let us see demonstration. Right, so welcome message will be displayed on the LCD. Right, so when the phase fault occurred, green LED show the status of phase fault occurred, and earth fault occurred. So earth fault earth was not connected to the system. So red LED will be on. Bye.